As a first-time buyer, you want to make sure everything's looked after inside, and this home shows really well, and what a terrific location. 202-1600 Dufferin. Let's have a look inside. When you're buying your first home, you want to feel confident that the building you're buying is being looked after, and 1600 Dufferin is being looked after. We've got a great project coming up that's going to renovate the windows and the doors and the siding. And what a great location. Hospitals right there, Bowen Road's right there. Every bus in town, don't even need a car, although it comes with a parking spot. Call your agent today to book a viewing at 202-1600 Dufferin.